Making fiends, Vendetta's always making fiends while Charlotte makes friends.
So, today, class, I thought we'd study magazines and,
Isn't it time for recess?
Oh yes, Vendetta, of course.
Yippee! Rain! Yay, 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 yay! Whee! Whee! I think I will take my recess indoors today. I think today we will have a rainy day schedule.
No! Please! It's not that bad outside. The rain will stop soon. Anything but...
Hey, why isn't anybody else playing?
I'm sorry, Charlotte. We have to stay inside today. It's... rainy day schedule.
Hooray! Vendetta, which do you like better? Raindrops or snowflakes? Do you think... Ooh, thanks, Vendetta. A dictionary! Philosophy, velvet, fender, Vendetta! Vendetta, did you know that you're in the dictionary? Be quiet! Or I will bring out the rainy day activity box. Rainy day activity box? Oh, yes, please do.
Nay, asketh not for the box, for the box containeth naught of good.
Box! All right. You have asked for it.
By Saturday! I gave them some bubble gum. Silly puppies. Ah, that's it. I'm going home. Bring me an umbrella.
That's really quite creative to use me to...
Be quiet.
Oh yes, of course, Vendetta.